I'm starting a 30-day experiment to see whether AI workflows can realistically generate income over time. Welcome to Purposefully AI, where we explore simple systems and practical tools for building income with AI. This is not a theory video. This is a real-world experiment to test if consistent AI workflows can support steady progress. Over the next 30 days, I'm documenting what happens, with no ads, no team, and no filming involved. I'm tracking the workflows, time, and outcomes. Let's lay out the rules and the target for this experiment so you can judge the results for yourself. Rule number 1, all work must be done using AI-assisted tools. Rule number 2, I'm starting from zero, with no upfront budget. Rule number 3, any results must come from repeatable processes, not one-time wins. We're aiming for transparency, not hype. My target for this experiment is to work toward $1,000 over 30 days. That means aiming for roughly $34 per day. Instead of relying on one method, I'm running 3 different AI workflows in parallel to diversify income streams. One workflow focuses on short-term income, another on scalable service delivery, and the third on assets for passive income. AI helps one person manage all 3 efficiently. The first workflow uses AI-assisted freelance delivery. Tools like ChatGPT generate product descriptions, short scripts, and social media captions designed to test speed and demand. The second workflow focuses on AI-assisted video creation for clients. Text becomes voice, voice becomes video, with no manual editing. The goal is consistent, repeatable service delivery. The third workflow focuses on AI-generated templates, things like planning tools and content structures. These take longer upfront, but are designed to produce results over time. Let's talk about risk management and how we'll track progress throughout the experiment. The biggest risk is overbuilding instead of publishing. Every workflow here is launched quickly, tested in the real world, and refined only after feedback. Progress comes from iteration, not perfection. Throughout the next 30 days, I'll be tracking time spent, outputs created, and patterns that emerge, both what works and what doesn't. If you want to follow along with this 30-day experiment, here's how you can reference the exact workflows I'm using. I've linked a free AI Money Starter Kit below that outlines the same types of workflows I'm testing. It's there if you want a reference point while watching this experiment unfold. Subscribe if you're interested in practical systems, honest testing, and real-world AI use cases. Purposefully AI, simple systems, real income.